Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Toyota Sienna Hybrid safely and effectively. First, ensure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and avoid touching metal parts. Locate your Sienna's 12-volt auxiliary battery, usually under the hood or in the rear cargo area. Have your jumper cables ready. Now let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Sienna's dead 12-volt battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Sienna, away from the battery. With the cables correctly connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle. Let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your Sienna's 12-volt battery. After this, try to start your Toyota Sienna Hybrid. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a couple more minutes and try again. Avoid cranking the engine for more than 10 seconds to prevent damage. Once your Sienna Hybrid starts, disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Sienna's metal ground point. Then, remove the black negative clamp from the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the assisting vehicle. And finally, the red positive clamp from your Sienna. Drive your Sienna for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the 12-volt battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.